it's Debbie here from Southern Delight. I'm so glad that you joined in today. Well, this is my latest project. This that we're looking at right here is a jewelry box. I have had this jewelry box for, I know, well over probably 20 years. A lot of sentimental value. My husband actually gave it to me for Christmas one year, and I have thoroughly enjoyed it. Got all kind of compartments to put your necklaces. It's got all these wonderful drawers in the front. And another one over here. But it's just outdated. So I thought I would give it a makeover. And this is what I've got here that I'm going to be making over. I happen to be in Hobby Lobby, one of my very, very favorite stores. I clicked on the nautical theme stuff, and they had these cute little nautical knobs. So I happened to pick up several of them, and I thought I would give this guy a makeover. Navy Rust-Oleum paint. We're going to give it a coat of that paint and give her a makeover. Okay, I pulled all the knobs off of it, and I gave it a coat of the navy blue paint. Okay, and the items you'll need for this nautical wreath, or I called it a porthole window, is a wreath form. This one is the 14-inch wreath form that I happened to pick up from the Dollar Tree. This is a cutting board that I picked up from the Dollar General. The ribbon that I used to trim it out with, this came from, I believe, Hobby Lobby. That rope was actually from the Dollar Tree. I think I've also seen it at Walmart, Hobby Lobby, Michael's. Then you're going to need some Mod Podge. And then you need to pick out an image that you want to go in the center. I happened to pick up some cardstock. I think this actually came from Hobby Lobby and was discounted. It had a lot of different nautical themes on it. And also, if you're having a hard time finding these, I mean, you can use most anything to a Mod Podge on the center. These just happen to be some of my favorite prints, and I'm going to trim them out to the size. We're going to cut it out to fit the cutting board, and then we're going to Mod Podge it on there.